Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger when it keeps stopping. You can easily fix the problem if you follow the steps correctly. So keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any videos from us. If your Facebook Messenger keeps stopping on your Android, there are some ways you should try it out. So the first thing is to install the latest version of Facebook Messenger in your phone. Go to your Play Store and check if there's any update available for your Messenger. Type for the Messenger app in the search bar and you'll be able to see the application. If your app is not up to date, you will be able to see an update button right where the open button is available. Since my Messenger is up to date and I'm not being able to see the update button popping out, but you'll be able to spot it right there. Simply tap on the update button and download the latest version of the application. If that fixes your problem, then that's great, but if it doesn't, then the next way is that you can restart your system. Tap on the restart button after pressing long on your power switch button. And once you do it, you will be able to see the result. Relaunch your Messenger application and that might solve your issue. If that still doesn't solve your problem, then you can erase the cached data from the Messenger. Go to the settings from your phone and now scroll all the way to application management. Click on the app manager. Now search for the Messenger application from the list of the apps. Now tap on the Messenger. From this page, click on the storage. And now you will be able to see clear data and clear cache button. Tap it on to erase data from your Messenger. Tap the clear data first. Select the OK button. After erasing the cache, tap on the back button and return to the app info page. Now click the force stop button. Select OK button. Now relaunch the Messenger application to see if it works. Those were some of the fixes. You can try it out whenever you're walking through the Messenger keeps stopping problem. I hope you found this video useful. If you did so, then give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.